Hello guys, do you need many tags for your YouTube video or Facebook tags or any other etc apps? You need a more tag. So let's search Ubersuggest on your mobile or Google Chrome. Here is Ubersuggest search button. So I just search. There have my need keyword. So let's you choose another country or you need many country here. So you just chose a country. I just chose United States and just search YouTube tags. Search it and there they find United States have mm, huge tags. So just loading and we will show oversuggest result. So this is loading and coming results. There have huge. There have 151 million tags in YouTube. Just United States countries. You use only United States countries tags here. So we just show these tags. So let's search and keywords. So here is our tags. You just copy and use your YouTube channel or Facebook or WhatsApp in any status or Twitter, other things. So you can GitHub tags for your YouTube channel. Just show it. It just loading and show you a user tags for you. So this is a Ubersuggest. So we find our Ubersuggest results. So you can find your tags, huge tags of Ubersuggest. You can search any other keywords here, and you just search every day, just 5 times in an one apps. You can just search another app, Opera, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox, or any other service. So thank you very much.